Today is the 8th day of the Devi Puja, and on this day the power of Kali acts, and she is the one called as Samhara Kali, meaning the one who destroys all the evil forces. So it is a very good day that we have a puja here in England. I'm very happy about it. I expect it in my purse, I think. So, where is she? She's got it. Now, I was thinking that I should talk to the UK Sahajogis because very important. I'll be completing now 16 years of my stay in UK, and I've really found such love and such goodness about you people. Now, next year I will not be staying here because my husband is going to be transferred, and of course I'll be coming back, and for a month or so I could be with you, maybe much more closer than I've been so far. But there's something that I think I should warn you people, because now I'm receiving lots of letters about Gavin, asking why Gavin has become like that, what's gone wrong with him. Perhaps everybody seems to be quite frightened to see these things happening, and to some other Sahajogis also. Because in other countries, when the Sahajogis go out of Sahajoga, they don't get after me or they don't get after Sahajoga or Sahajogis, but they think there's something wrong with them and they feel very sorry and keep out. But why is it that Gavin has become so adamant and is becoming so much against us, and I'm told he's supplying information to some horrible organizations and things like that? I mean, I don't know how to explain human behavior. It's difficult because when you have found out something so great and if you cannot value it, what happens? Why? So, I feel that English have so many great qualities among them, because at the time of crisis, they are the ones who have always stood up. Because of them, we could avert the war. Second World War was averted because of them. Not only that, but also they work out things at the nick of the time, whenever it is necessary. And their whole style is very quiet, and they show results at the right time. That's a fact, no doubt, one has to accept it. All these qualities are there, but I think there are certain other things which are crawled up, and maybe that's one of the reasons we have to guard against if you have to keep to Sahajoga, if you have to grow in Sahajoga. So one of the things I found out that English believe more in the style, what is your style? Say like a cocktail style, you can call it a dandy style, and punk style, and this style and that style. You have got tailcoat style, all sorts of styles. Yeah. And because too much of it in the atmosphere, too much. As soon as you see a house, they'll tell you, oh, this is Georgian, this is such and such, and this is neo, this and that. So, you see, it must go up to that style. It has to be that style, you see. And any house which is not to that style, then they'll say, oh, it's a compromise, it's little fussy, or I don't know what all words they use to criticize it. So this is one thing we have to know, that styles cannot substitute the content. It cannot be a substitute. Style is so outward and so deceptive. It is so deceptive and so outward that it deceives us also. It deceives us also. Thank you. We have to know that we are the ones we have to give light of the Spirit to the whole world. How can we cover and cloud ourselves with all these funny ideas? And that's why so many you have asked me questions about Govind. Only thing I have to say that to this extent only an Englishman can go, because he can forgive himself. To this extent nobody else can go. Nobody has done like this. No one has done like this. We had so many people removed from Sahaja Yoga, you know that very well. But the way he has gone down and the way he was with us for the last 14 years is surprising. And I understand that people ask me questions, I understand why it is happening. But be careful. Let us not be lost with these foolish, stupid ideas we had. And let us be something great. Let us be within ourselves, see for ourselves. No amount of arrogance, no amount of artificiality is going to give us any special personality, except that we realize what we are. And what we know what we are, we enjoy ourselves. We never get bored. We enjoy ourselves. Never get bored. So, at the beginning of the program, I have to say that I have seen the Sahaja Yogis, if they want to be good, they can be really very good in England, because the quality of intelligence is much better, perhaps. Also, their scholarship is very good. But when they fall also very fast and go down very much. So on what we have to depend is to our step where we are standing and what step we are going to take further. For example, meditating. Dr. Brian Wells told me that people don't want to meditate in the ashram. Now meditation is very important. It's the only way we can grow. Now, all right, people used to get up, say, about 10 o'clock before. But you don't get drunk. Why should you get up at 10 o'clock? You have to get up in the morning. You have to look after yourself. Means you have to look after your spirit. And that's what we have to achieve. And I know if you all decide, you can do it very well. Among yourselves is better understanding. But when it comes to others, it seems there's some sort of a communication gap. We should not be. If the Germans could be that gentle and so sweet, you've seen the German people who are Sahaja Yogis? Even to touch a flower is easier than to touch a German, I tell you. They have become so gentle. Because they have learnt a lesson. And I asked a German, what's the matter with English? Why haven't they learnt a lesson? He answered me back, which is a very important thing to know. They have never lost a war, mother. They have to lose one war, they'll be all right. So, the gentleness, which is not outward, which is not just a lip service, but from within. How can I hurt someone? I mean, I had to put myself into a frame of mind to talk to you like this. And I didn't know how many flowers I should weave around my words so that it should not hurt you. And even then, you see, the back of my mind there's a kind of a sadness because I love you so much. And it shows that I've stayed with you the most of the time. You are especially privileged. But that should give you greater humility. Because whatever are my qualities, they should be much more in you. Be shown to people that they should, oh, English we can make out. Like mother to look at. They are like mother to behave. They are just like mother. Let me hear that. All right? So it's a promise to me. Is it all right? on an Ashtami day, let us finish all these negativities and let us become that special type of people who are worshipped all over. All right? May God bless you.